Hi, hello, all of you. Good morning, my dear young minds. Welcome to botany class. How are you all? Fine. Okay. Come back to situation. In previous class, we have discussed the C4 pathway. What is C4 pathway? What is the location of C4 pathway? How many cells involved in C4 pathway? Mesophyll cell and bundle sheath cell. And which is cell first fix atmospheric carbon dioxide? Mesophyll cell. Because mesophyll cell has pepcase, means phosphoenol pyruvate carboxylase enzyme. Due to presence of pepcase enzyme, it fixes atmospheric carbon dioxide directly in cytosol of mesophyll cell. Okay, next then what you call that bicarbonates convert into oxaloacetic acid. That is the first stable product of carbon dioxide fixation. Hence it is called C4 pathway. That is completed. Then oxaloacetic acid convert into malic acid or aspartic acid. Whereas malic acid enter into bundle sheath cells. Within the bundle sheath cell, malic acid undergo decarboxylation. It releases carbon dioxide and C3 acid. Immediately carbon dioxide enters Calvin cycle in presence of Rubisco enzyme. So what is the site of Calvin cycle in C4 plants? Bundle sheath cells within the chloroplast. Chloroplasts are of two kinds: granular chloroplast, agranular chloroplast. Granular chloroplast present in mesophyll cells, whereas agranular chloroplast present in bundle sheath cells. I told previously. Agranular means a chloroplast without granule or without grana. Without grana is known as agranal chloroplast. Clear? Then C3 acid also released. C3 acid also called pyruvic acid or pyruvate. Whereas pyruvate enter mesophyll cell through plasmodesmata connection. It helps in regeneration of PEP. Again PEP regenerated and it is ready for fixed atmospheric carbon dioxide in the form of bicarbonates within the mesophyll cells. This process occurs in a cyclic manner, that is called C4 pathway. Clear? Right. Next, now we discuss differences between C3 plants and C4 plants. Differences between C3 plants and C4 plants. Important, because I am expecting at least 1 or 2 questions from this topic in main NEET exam. First point, C3 plants prepare PGA, 3-PGA as first carbon dioxide fixation. The first product of carbon dioxide fixation is C3. That means a 3 carbon compound, 3-PGA. In case of C4 plants, the first stable product of carbon dioxide fixation is OAA. OAA. It has 4 carbons. Based on this concept, such plants are called C3 plants, and plants which synthesize 4 organic acid as the first stable product of carbon dioxide fixation are called C4 plants. Second difference, how many types of cells involved in C3 plants and C4 plants? In C3 plants, only one type of cell involved, that is called mesophyll cell. Mesophyll cell. Whereas in C4 plants, 2 different types of cells together involved, namely mesophyll plus bundle sheath cell. Bundle sheath cells. These 2 types of cells together involved in C4 plants. Next, in C3 plants, carbon dioxide fixation take place in Mesophyll cell. Mesophyll cell. That means what? Atmospheric carbon dioxide directly fixed by mesophyll cells. In case of C4 plants, atmospheric carbon dioxide, ATMP stands for atmosphere. Okay, atmospheric carbon dioxide fixed by say mesophyll cells. Mesophyll cell. It is not difference, it is the comparison. Comparison. Understand? What is carbon dioxide acceptor in C3 plants? Means RUBP, ribulose 1,5-bisphosphate. It is a 5-carbon compound. Whereas in C4 plants, carbon dioxide acceptor is PEP, phosphoenol pyruvate. It is a 3-carbon compound. 3-carbon compound. Next difference. In C3 plants, photorespiration. Quite common. Whereas in C4 plants, it is absent. Next, in C3 plants, sometimes CO2 concentration decrease at the site of enzyme. Which enzyme? Rubisco enzyme. Next, CO2 concentration always high in C4 plants. That means at the site of enzymes. Such as peptidase and RUBP carboxylase. Clear? Important points, gunshot points. Try to understand this concept. Clear? In C3 plants, the first stable product of carbon dioxide fixation is 3-phosphoglyceric acid. In C4 plants, oxalo acetic acid is the first stable product of carbon dioxide fixation. What is the number of carbons in PGA? 3 carbons. The number of carbons in OAA? 4 carbons. Next, how many types of cells involved in C3 plants? Only one type of cell, that is mesophyll cell. Clear? In C4 plants, 2 different types of cells together involved in C4 pathway, namely mesophyll cell and bundle sheath cell. Third difference, carbon dioxide fixation takes place in mesophyll cells because only one type of cell involved. That is the reason ultimately atmospheric carbon dioxide fixed by mesophyll cell. Whereas in C4 plants, atmospheric carbon dioxide fixed by mesophyll cell. It is not difference, it is comparison. Remember. Next, fourth difference, RUBP, which is the carbon dioxide acceptor in C3 plants, means RUBP. I told, you know very well, RUBP stands for ribulose 1,5-bisphosphate. Ribulose 1,5 bisphosphate. Number of carbons in REBP 5 carbons. REBP, it is a type of 5 keto sugar. 5 keto sugar. Next, in C4 plants, phosphoenol pyruvate is carbon dioxide acceptor. It fixes atmospheric carbon dioxide in the form of bicarbonate, HCO3 minus. That means bicarbonates. It is a 3-carbon compound. Fifth difference, photorespiration. First, what is photorespiration? Photo means light. Photo means light. Respiration means exchange of gases. Respiration means exchange of gases. When respiration occurs in presence of light, it is known as photorespiration. Here what happened? Rubisco enzyme combined with oxygen instead of carbon dioxide in presence of light. That is known as photorespiration. We will discuss photorespiration mechanism after completion of this concept. Clear? Photorespiration quite common in C3 plants, whereas photorespiration completely absent in C4 plants. What is the reason? What the reason means? Carbon dioxide concentration decrease at the site of enzyme. Not all times, sometimes. Not all times, sometimes CO2 concentration decrease at the site of enzyme, that is called Rubisco enzyme. Rubisco stands for ribulose, bisphosphate, carboxylase, oxygenase. Once I repeat, ribulose, bisphosphate, carboxylase, oxygenase. It is also known as an important abundant enzyme in entire world, in entire biosphere. The same point already covered in previous chapter, biomolecules. Collagen, Rubisco. Collagen is abundant protein in entire animal world, whereas Rubisco is abundant enzyme in entire biosphere or entire world, because it is common in plants. It is absent in animals. When compared with animal population, plant population is more on the globe, on the earth. Obviously, the percentage of enzyme, Rubisco enzyme also high in entire biosphere. That is the reason. Clear? So due to when CO2 concentration decrease at the site of Rubisco enzyme, obviously O2, oxygen, O2 means oxygen, concentration increase at the site of Rubisco enzyme. Obviously, Rubisco enzyme trap oxygen. Hence, photorespiration is common in C3 plants. Go through C4 plants. It is completely absent. Photorespiration is completely absent. Why? Reason important. CO2 concentration is always high in C4 plants. That means in both mesophyll cells and bundle sheath cells, CO2 concentration is always high. At the site of peptidase enzyme and RABP carboxylase enzyme. Peptidase enzyme present in mesophyll cells, whereas RABP carboxylase enzyme present in bundle sheath cells. In presence of peptidase enzyme, PEP fixes atmospheric carbon dioxide in the form of bicarbonates. In presence of RABP carboxylase enzyme, carbon dioxide enter Calvin cycle in bundle sheath cells. Clear? Some differences. Some more differences. All of you note these points, and even I sent already differences of C3 plants and C4 plants. Pick in your respective group. All of you observe. Don't do neglect. Next difference, in C3 plants, what is the number of ATPs and NADPH molecules utilized? Okay, total 6 terms are there. 6 terms. In each term, In each turn, one CO2 molecule fixed. Okay, 6 turns. 6 CO2 molecules fixed. Next, in each turn, 3 ATPs plus 2 NADPH utilized. In 6 turns equals to 6 3 ja 18 ATP plus 6 2 ja 12 NADPH utilized. Clear? In case of C4 plants, in C4 plants also the total number of turns are 6 turns. 6 turns. 6 turns common in mesophyll cell and bundle sheath cell. First we discuss about mesophyll cell. Mesophyll cell. In mesophyll cell, in each turn, 2 CO2 molecules fixed. Sorry, 2 ATP utilized. 6 turns. 6 2 ja 12. 12 ATP utilized. That is about mesophyll cell. Next, bundle sheath cell. Bundle sheath cell. In each turn, 3 ATP plus 2 NADPH utilized. Clear? In 6 turns, 6 3 ja 18. 18 ATP plus 6 2 ja 12. 12 NADPH utilized. Clear? Mesophyll cell separate, bundle sheath cell separate calculation I am doing here. Now calculate the total number of ATP and NADPH. Total number of ATPs. Here 12 ATP and here 18 ATP. 12 plus 18 30. 30 ATPs plus 12 NADPH. 12 NADPH molecules also utilized. It is important. So based on this concept, sometimes we will ask simple sums calculation part from C3 or C4 plants. Once I repeat, total Kelvin cycle. C3 cycle means Kelvin cycle. I told Kelvin cycle includes 6 turns, means 6 rounds. In each turn, 1 CO2 fixed by the plant. In 6 turns, 6 CO2 molecules fixed by the plant. Clear? All 6 CO2 molecules convert into 1 glucose molecule. 6 CO2 molecules convert into 1 glucose, and 18 ATP turn into 18 ADP plus inorganic phosphate, and 12 NADPH molecules converts into 12 NADP plus. That is called reduction, oxidation. NADPH turn into NAD plus, that is called oxidation, because hydrogen molecules are removed. Okay. Hence, in each turn 3 ATP molecules plus 2 NADPH molecules utilized. 6 turns, 6 3 ja 18 ATPs and 6 2 ja 12 NADPH molecule utilized. Clear? Okay. And finally, at the end of the C3 cycle, 6 CO2 molecules turn into 1 glucose molecule. Glucose chemical formula C6H12O6. Okay. The 6 carbon molecules turn into C6 and oxygen. So for the production of 1 glucose molecules, 6 tons of C3 cycle required. Clear? Then 18 ATP turn into 18 AD plus inorganic phosphate. There are 12 NADPH molecules turn into 12 NADP plus. It is called oxidation. Then come to C4 plants. Like in C3 plants, there are 6 turns. That is common in C4 plants also. But the difference is 2 different types of cells together involved in C4 pathway: mesophyll cell and bundle sheath cell. In mesophyll cell, 6 turns occurred. At the same time, in the bundle sheath cell also 6 turns occurred. In each turn, 2 ATPs utilized in mesophyll cell. 6 turns, 6 to the 12 ATP molecules utilized in mesophyll cell. Then come back to bundle sheath cells. In each turn, 3 ATP molecules plus 2 NADPH molecules utilized. 6 turns, 6 3 the 18 ATPs and 6 to the 12 NADPH molecules utilized. Hence, what is the total number of ATPs and NADPH utilized in C4 plants means 12 plus 18, 30 ATPs and 12 NADPH molecules also utilized. Remember, don't confuse. NADPH molecules utilized in bundle sheath cells only, but not in mesophyll cells. Because what is the site of Calvin cycle in C4 plants? Bundle sheath cell. Bundle sheath cell. Site of Calvin cycle. In C4 plants is bundle sheath cell. Bundle sheath cells. Clear? Remember, don't confuse. But in C3 plants, what is the site of Calvin cycle? Mesophyll cells. In C4 plants, the site of Calvin cycle is bundle sheath cell. Remember, don't confuse and don't forget. So some difference between C3 and C4 plants. Right? Next, some other differences. In C3 plants, at high light intensity, photorespiration occurs in low. At high light intensities, the rate of photorespiration is low. But in C4 plants, photorespiration is negligible, because in C4 plants CO2 concentration is always high at the site of enzyme, both peptidase enzyme and REBP carboxylase enzyme. So no lagging of carbon dioxide, no lagging of carbon dioxide. That's why Rubisco enzyme always bind with carbon dioxide instead of oxygen. But in C3 plants sometimes CO2 level decrease and O2 level increase at the site of enzyme. Hence sometimes Rubisco enzyme bind with oxygen. So photorespiration is quite common in C3 plants, whereas completely absent or negligible in C4 plants. Remember, don't forget. These are some difference between C3 and C4 plants. Temperature. In case of C3 plants, their common temperature 25 to 30 degree Celsius temperature. In case of C4 plants, they tolerate 30 to 40 degree Celsius temperature. C3 plants tolerate 25 to 30 degree Celsius temperature, while C4 plants tolerate 30 to 40 degree Celsius temperature. That means what? C3 plants never tolerate high temperature, whereas C4 plants tolerate high temperature. One more difference, C3 plants never tolerate water stress conditions, whereas C4 plants tolerate water stress conditions. These are the main differences between C3 plants and C4 plants. Hope you understood. Clear? In NCERT text, one box point given in separate page. Read all characteristic features, difference between C3 and C4 plants. It's very essential for neat objective point of view. Hope you understood. Clear? Next we discuss photorespiration. Photorespiration. It's also called C2 pathway. C2 pathway or phosphoglycolate pathway. Phosphoglycolate pathway. You should remember different terminology of photorespiration. Just now I told photorespiration. Photo means light, respiration means exchange of gases. That is called photorespiration. Here what happens, sometimes mostly Rubisco enzyme bind with the carbon dioxide, because Rubisco enzyme has more affinity with the carbon dioxide than to that of oxygen. Once repeat, it is notable point. Rubisco enzyme always has greater affinity with the carbon dioxide than to that of oxygen. Due to this reason, Rubisco enzyme mostly bind with carbon dioxide, but rarely bind with oxygen. When CO2 concentration is lesser than oxygen at the site of enzyme, then obviously oxygen bind with Rubisco enzyme. Clear? That is called photorespiration. Photorespiration is useless process, wasteful process. Neither ATP produced nor glucose synthesized. Neither ATP produced nor glucose synthesized. Hence it is useless process, wasteful process. Moreover, carbon dioxide liberate into surroundings during photorespiration. But in photosynthesis what happened? Reverse. Carbon dioxide pick up by the plant and oxygen liberate from the plant. But in case of photorespiration, reverse. Plant pick up oxygen and liberates carbon dioxide. That is the reason photorespiration is useless process, wasteful process. Neither ATP or NADPH produced nor glucose synthesized. Understood now? Why it is called C2 pathway? Means the first stable product of oxygen fixation is phosphoglycolate. Phosphoglycolate. Number of carbons in phosphoglycolate, 2 carbons. Only 2 carbons. Based on this concept, photorespiration also known as C2 pathway. There are 3 pathways: C3 pathway, C4 pathway and C2 pathway. C4 pathway means Calvin cycle. Sorry, C3 pathway means Calvin cycle. C4 pathway means monogam plants, grass plants. Okay, I told a previous class that one. And C2 pathway means photorespiration. You don't confuse between C2 pathway, C3 pathway and C4 pathway. But in all plants, Calvin cycle, that is C3 cycle, is common. That is universal for all plants. Hope you understood. Clear? A famous scientist, Otto Warburg. Otto Warburg, a famous scientist, biologist, who was first found photorespiration. Where? In algae plants. Green algae. Later, another scientist, Decker and Teo. These 2 scientists together performed experiments on tobacco plant. Clear? Famous scientist Otto Warburg, he found sometimes the inhibition of photosynthesis takes place by increasing of oxygen level at the site of enzyme, that is called photorespiration. Very simple definition: inhibition of photosynthesis takes place by excess of oxygen level at the site of enzyme, enzyme, that is known as photorespiration. That meaningful definition also given by Otto Warburg. He found photorespiration in green algae. What's the definition? Inhibition of photosynthesis due to excess of oxygen level at the site of enzyme. Which enzyme? Rubisco enzyme. It is known as a photorespiration. Inhibition of photosynthesis. Inhibition means stop or decrease of photosynthesis due to excess of oxygen level. Where means at the site of enzyme. Which enzyme? Rubisco enzyme. That is the meaningful definition of photorespiration, which is given by Otto Warburg, and he performed valuable experiments on green algae. After some time period, Decker and Teo also performed the same experiments in tobacco plant. Tobacco is one of the C3 plant. It's one of the C3 plant. Remember, scientists names their discoveries important for NEET objective exam. Clear? It's just a brief introduction regarding what is photorespiration and all. Now go through mechanism. Mechanism important. Before going to start mechanism, photorespiration occur in three different cell organelles. Cell organelles. What are three cell organelles? Chloroplast, peroxisome, and mitochondria. Chloroplast, peroxisome, and mitochondria. CPM, small code. These three cell organelles together involved in photorespiration. First go through chloroplast. Chloroplast. Start from here. Two molecules of RUBP, ribulose bisphosphate. Trap. Two molecules of oxygen to form two molecules of PGA, phosphoglyceric acid, plus two molecules of phosphoglycolate. Phosphoglycolate. Number of carbons in PGA, 3 carbons. Number of carbons in phosphoglycolate, 2 carbons. Moreover, phosphoglycolate is the first stable product of oxygen fixation. Based on this concept, photorespiration, otherwise known as phosphoglycolate cycle. Phosphoglycolate also called phosphoglycolic acid. Phosphoglycolic acid, both are same. Try to understand terminology. But what about PGA? Along with phosphoglycolate, PGA also formed. But after formation of PGA, it immediately enter into Calvin cycle. Therefore, we should not consider PGA. We can consider only phosphoglycolate. Clear? Next, phosphoglycolate convert into glycolate. Glycolate. Peroxisome. Peroxisome. First cell organelle chloroplast, second cell organelle peroxisome. After formation of glycolate, glycolate enter peroxisome. Within the glycolate, oxygen molecules added. Due to oxidation, glycolate converted into glyoxylate. Glyoxylate plus H2O2. H2O2 means hydrogen peroxide. Then glyoxylate convert into glycine. Then glycine enter another cell organelle called mitochondria. Same glycine enters mitochondria. Within the mitochondria, glycine convert into serine by decarboxylation. And by deamination. Removal of amino group is called deamination. Removal of carbon dioxide is known as decarboxylation. Arrow mark showing carbon dioxide liberate out. Then amino group transfer to glycine. Then amino group added to glycine. Here what happened? NAD plus reduced to NADH. Clear? Then serine enter peroxisome. serine. It enters peroxisome. Within the peroxisome, serine produce hydroxypyruvate. Hydroxypyruvate by addition of alpha ketoglutarate. Alpha ketoglutarate. Clear? Next, hydroxypyruvate convert into glycerate. By means of NADH. NADH oxidized to NAD+. Clear? Then glycerate enter chloroplast. Within the chloroplast, glycerate convert into PGA, phosphoglyceric acid, by means of ATP. ATP turn into ADP plus inorganic phosphate. Then PGA enter PCR cycle. PCR cycle means nothing but Calvin cycle. Don't confuse. Calvin cycle, both are same. PCR cycle, also called Calvin cycle. PCR stands for photosynthetic carbon reduction cycle. Photosynthetic carbon reduction cycle. Clear? Photosynthetic carbon reduction cycle. There are three different cell organelles together involved in photorespiration. CPM, small code CPM. C for chloroplast, P for peroxisome, M for mitochondria. Three different cell organelles together involved in peroxisome. Very important concept. Understand, don't forget. Chloroplast and mitochondria, these two are double membrane bound cell organelles, whereas peroxisome single membrane bound cell organelle. Chloroplast and mitochondria, also called a cell within the cell or semi-autonomous cell organelles. These points you might have learned in previous chapter, Cell the Unit of Life. Clear? Start from here. RUBP. RUBP stands for ribulose 1,5-bisphosphate. You know well full form. In the presence of an enzyme, namely RUBP oxygenase. RUBP oxygenase stands for ribulose bisphosphate oxygenase. Clear? This enzyme trap only oxygen. Because but here where is carbon? No carbon. Ribisco different. Rubiso different. Rubiso means ribulose bisphosphate oxygenase. Okay. Ribulose bisphosphate oxygenase enzyme play a crucial role in photorespiration. In presence of RUBP oxygenase enzyme, two molecules of RUBP. Remember, not one molecule. Two molecules of RUBP fix two molecules of oxygen. That means what? One molecule of RUBP trap one molecule of oxygen. Two means two molecules. Clear? And the first stable product is phosphoglycolate. PGA, because PGA immediately enter PCR cycle. PGA. Two molecules of PGA, phosphoglyceric acid, it immediately enter PCR cycle. PCR means nothing but a Kelvin cycle. That is the reason Kelvin cycle is quite common in all plants. The universal. Clear? Okay. You don't think about PGA. It is 3 carbon compound, whereas phosphoglycolate is 2 carbon compound. Next, phosphoglycolate convert into glycolate. It convert into glycolate. Then glycolate enter peroxisome. Peroxisome. Within the peroxisome, due to addition of oxygen, means oxidation. Due to oxidation, glycolate converts into glyoxylate plus hydrogen peroxide. Next, glyoxylate plus hydrogen peroxide. Then glyoxylate convert into glycine. Immediately, glycine enter another cell organelle called mitochondria. This is mitochondria region. Clear? Within the mitochondria, glycine forms serine. Glycine forms serine by means of decarboxylation and deamination. Decarboxylation means removal of carbon dioxide, while deamination, ami means amino, removal of amino group is called deamination. Next, amino group transfer to peroxisome. That means what? Amino group transfer to glycine within the peroxisome. Transfer of amino group from mitochondria to peroxisome is known as transamination. Transamination. Remember, important. Removal of, that means translocation of amino group from glycine to, that means not glycine, from mitochondria to peroxisome is known as transamination. Okay. So by means of deamination and decarboxylation, glycine convert into serine. Then what happened? NAD plus reduced to NADH. NAD plus stands for nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide. Oxidation form. NADH stands for nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide. Oxidation, it is the reduction form. Means reduced nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide. NAD plus means oxidized nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide. Clear? Then serine enter peroxisome. Here what happened? One molecule of alpha ketoglutarate added. So due to this reason, serine plus alpha ketoglutarate combine to form hydroxypyruvate. Hydroxypyruvate plus glutarate. Glutarate. Not glutarate, glutamate. Here also glutamate. Okay. Alpha ketoglutamate plus serine combine to form hydroxypyruvate plus glutamate. Then hydroxypyruvate convert into glycerate by means of NADH. Here NADH formed, the same NADH utilized here. Hence NADH oxidized to NAD plus. Then glycerate enter chloroplast. Chloroplast. This is chloroplast region. Peroxisome region. Mitochondria region. Within the chloroplast, glycerate produce phosphoglyceric acid. The 3 carbon compound phosphoglyceric acid called 3-PGA. This is 2 molecules of PGA, it is 1 molecule of PGA. So glycerate forms PGA by means of ATP. ATP turn into ADP plus inorganic phosphate. Here one phosphate added to glycerate, hence glycerate turn into phosphoglycerate. Clear? Then phosphoglycerate enter PCR cycle, which is also known as Kelvin cycle. Both are same. In such a way, two molecules of REBP produce 3 molecules of PGA. Here 2 molecules and here 1 molecule. Understood now? Once I repeat, 2 molecules of REBP produce 3 molecules of PGA. Here 2 PGA, here 1 PGA. 2 plus 1. All 3 PGA enter PCR cycle. Then PCR cycle means Kelvin cycle. Kelvin cycle include 3 steps: carboxylation, reduction and regeneration. Clear now? Right. Hence, in photorespiration, it is wasteful process, useless process. Moreover, carbon dioxide liberate into surroundings and oxygen fixed by the plant. By taking oxygen, how plant prepare glucose? Is it possible? Impossible. Because glucose chemical formula C6H12O6. For the production of glucose, carbon compulsory. In oxygen, where is carbon? No carbon. That is the reason, by taking oxygen, plant unable to produce glucose, unable to produce food. Hence, photorespiration is useless process, wasteful process. Neither ATP produced nor glucose synthesized. That is final conclusion. All of you practice photorespiration pathway. And remember, all 3 cell organelles. Don't do neglect. Clear? Understood now? After formation of PCR cycle reproduce REBP. REBP trap oxygen, form PGA and phosphobitrate. In such a way, the same process continuously occur in a cyclic manner, that is called photorespiration. Understood now? But this much deep information not given in NCERT. Cycle not mentioned, just one paragraph matter only mentioned. 1 or 2 paragraphs lines only mentioned. But for your clear understands, I drawn cycle on board. You also practice all that means the total cyclic process once or twice. Then send in your respective group, because I need to cross check your notes every day. Clear? Right. That is about photorespiration. Today we have discussed the total 2 concepts. The first concept, differences between C3 plants and C4 plants. Second concept, photorespiration. Understood now? I forgot one more point. Professor V.S. Ramadas, our Indian scientist. Professor V.S. Ramadas, who was worked as a head of the Department of Botany in SV University, Sri Venkateswara University. He was head of the Botany Department. He and his co-workers, associates, together performed an extensive research on C4 plants. In India. Hence, remember, our Indian scientists also important for NEET objective exam. Not only Hatch and Slack. Apart from Hatch and Slack, even our Indian scientist V.S. Ramadas also performed extensive research work on C4 plants. That means C4 pathway. That point I forgot yesterday video. That's why I am repeating the same point now. It is there in NCERT. Clear? The scientist names, their discoveries or inventions also important for NEET objective exam. Then what type of questions frequently asking from photorespiration? Means, which enzyme used for fixation of oxygen? Answer, REBP oxygenase. Next, how many PGA molecules synthesized by 2 molecules of REBP? Answer, 3 PGA molecules. I told 2 molecules of REBP synthesize 3 molecules of PGA. Out of 3 molecules, here 2 molecules and here 1 molecule. Understood now? Means a set of REBP. Set means a pair. A set of REBP prepare 3 molecules of PGA. Suppose there are 8 REBP molecules. 8 REBP molecules. 8 REBP molecules synthesize how many PGA? Answer 12. Because all 8 REBP group into 4 categories. That means 4 sets. 4 to the 8. One set of REBP synthesize 3 PGA. 4 sets. 4 3 the 12. 12 PGA molecules. So these types of questions frequently asking in NEET objective exam. Remember. Next, one more question. How many types of cell organelles together involved in photorespiration? Answer: 3 cell organelles. CPM, chloroplast, peroxisome, mitochondria. One more question. In which plants photorespiration is quite common? Answer: C3 plants. One more question. In which plants photorespiration is completely absent? Answer: C4 plants. I told region also many times. Again discussion no need. Clear? These types of questions frequently asking in objective exams, NEET objective exams. At the same time, difference between C3 and C4 plants, the topic also very essential for NEET objective exam. There are nearly 10 to 12 points. Remember all 10 to 12 points. Difference between C3 and C4 plants. Right? Today I stop here. Rest of the part I will continue in next video. Thank you very much. Bye. See you and prepare well.